Hey Kim, it's Paul. Just want to say thanks for your time today. Thought I'd narrate a couple of slides for you. Just some of the thoughts, some behind the scenes stuff, and then share a little bit about the LDC curriculum that I built. Talk to you soon. Sorry, LDC curriculum, Leadership Development Circle. Um, it's like we always have to have acronyms, right? Anyway, I'm going to go away and just narrate some stuff. So reimagining training, when I came to Canvas, it really was the number one thing I saw was that it was boring, and that just drove me nuts coming from the consultant world. Number one thing that people can do is to make training fun, and so that's what we set out doing, making them feel welcome, making them feel informed. Here we even had a system enough that someone could actually come and talk and share if they weren't even in the building. And so that was wonderful to see sometimes as the CEO here was actually traveling quite a bit. So he would join us at 9 o'clock, and first thing right out of the gate. We talked about some of the stories around some leaders that they could learn from, some leaders that had been there a while. Talked about some of the Canvas behaviors, which 50% of their performance review was based on the behaviors. But when I got there, nobody was talking about that. So we changed that right away and brought it into our onboarding class as well. Things about like empathy and consistency and working with humility. And then again, made them feel welcomed, but had them have fun throughout the day as we went through. First days are a very scary situation. So it's kind of fun to see some of the creations that they made with their Play-Doh. Quite amazing to see what happens. The octopus here, they had to actually negotiate with their neighbor to get the second color. So some fun stuff. We did a critical thinking class as well for 14 employees that were really struggling. Their manager had said, hey, can you help us? And we said, yeah, we can build a critical thinking course. And then this was the celebration, and they absolutely flourished throughout the 6 weeks that we had the training. We did fun stuff with scenarios and had them act out scenarios and had costumes, but I was really impressed at how serious they were. When they talked, I wouldn't use that word with the member. I would use this word instead. And these were folks, again, if you remember, this was week 4, and they were struggling before, and now they were coming up with different words they would use with a member. So it's kind of fun to see. And then leadership development. This was the group that was in the leadership development circle, plus 4 peers, peer leaders that actually helped run the program as well. These were the folks in green that were actually promoted throughout that time. And this was the curriculum. So I built the curriculum based off of a topic, a guest speaker, a project or a challenge, a LinkedIn learning path that we could build, and some additional resources. And then and here's what it looked like throughout the year then. And it was fun to see who had really invested in that time and did the curriculum, did the learning path, read the books. And so we all read one book, mandatory, which was Winning Well from Karen Hurt and David Dye. It's a great book on leadership. Plus, it's a dual authorship, which is kind of fun to hear 2 different perspectives. The second books I could choose from, one was Drive from Daniel Pink. The other was Dare to Lead with Brene Brown, and I led the Dare to Lead group. And so it was just fun to see, what it really does what it does mean when you actually can hear different voices of leaders and different types of leaders. Not all leaders are, standard. And so I think it's really interesting that we get different voices throughout a leadership course as well. So just a peek into the curriculum, just wanted to give you that. Share some thoughts. Of course, got much more, many more ideas to talk about. But I appreciate your time and enjoy your night. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.